Hey guys, it's Yvette, and I have a Sweetwater box to share with you tonight. This is a quarterly box, and it's always I love Sweetwater. You guys know I love Sweetwater. So here it is, Project Sweetwater. Let's get it open and see what's inside. Okay. Ooh, we got a little something in this little bag right here. Let's check that out first, because that's me. I just want to check it all out. Okay. Ooh, the staple got caught. Hold up. Hey, dude. Okay. Oh my goodness, it's candy. We got a little, are they Red Hots? No, they're just Brock's hard candies. Love that. I just knocked my whole thing off the back here. Ugh. I don't know how that happens. That freaks me out. You know how so this, it's always like pulling down, and I don't even feel like I'm touching the back of it, but it'll come down anyway. I'm sure I must touch it, but it's just in my head, I'm not touching it. And the other thing is how your necklace always ends up with the back in the front. How does that happen? I want to know the science behind it. Unless you have a lovely necklace like this that I got from my bestie Christy. This one never flips around. I love it. So I'll never take it off. Okay, so we have a little card inside. And so this box contains some Red Barn Christmas, which is super cute. And then next box is going to have their timber collection. Okay, so there you go. This one, Red Barn Christmas. Next one, timber. Okay. This is going to be for a project. We'll have to figure that out. I'm going to get to the bottom. And okay, I'm going to get to the bottom so that I can see what's going to be inside, because this will tell you everything, all the projects and what you have in there. Okay, so this is going to be for Red Barn Christmas. Very excited. Okay, and then they have all these designs that they will make up, and then they put them on these full-size sheets for us. This first one is called Home Sweet Home Mini. Oh, I love this. Y'all, I am not big on applique. Really not. It's not my thing, but it might be worth it just to do this one because I really like this. Look how cute it is. I'm trying to get it just in there so you can see. Isn't that cute? Those little houses. I'm addicted to houses too. Real houses like this, or little wonky houses, or just any kind of houses. I love houses. Don't know why. Okay, let's see. It says this mini quilt uses the 12 house blocks from 4 Sweetwater Project Sweetwater boxes. 3 blocks are included in this box. If you are in need of fabric to complete the quilt, we are offering a limited number of finishing kits and additional cream fabric. Not all kits will have the same prints, but they will coordinate nicely with the prints used in the house appliques. To order a finishing kit, visit www.thesweetwatercoshop.com. Okay, awesome. So they have been giving us templates to make the little houses. Honestly, if you don't have those, because I don't even know if you see what's behind me? Yeah, this more the same all over the place. You have no idea what this room looks like in real life, okay? So if I have those things, good luck ever finding you here. So what I was going to say is, you know what the patchwork block size is, right? So if you take the patchwork block and you just take blocks, and then you can build your own kind of house. You can do whatever you want, right? You can, I'm sure there must be a lovely like block cut out on AccuQuilt, right? Where you could just like cut out the little pieces and then add them on there. I mean, or anything you want to do. I mean, for goodness sakes, that is like the most adorable thing ever. And it doesn't look like they're very difficult pieces. You could probably just wing it, you know? Maybe. I would probably try to wing it, especially since I would never be able to find it in here. Okay, now the next is a Red Barn sampler throw. Look at that guy. Can you tell that that's red? Anyway, no, you can't tell it's red because I can't even tell it's red. But I'm going to tell you that it's red because it's right here. So we have... It looks like it's just one big panel. So you see you have everything on the panel. So this is like a cheater panel. I mean, it makes your whole quilt right here. You don't have to, all you have to do is like sew on like a border, or, you know, just make it pretty however you want. But basically they just took this because they say you need 1 yard of Red Barn Christmas block panel, which is this. The sashing, you need 1 yard of cream fabric, and we have that right here. The binding is 25 5x5 charm squares. So here's the charm pack. And that's the binding? That's interesting. The backing is 3.5 yards, and the batting is 48 by 58. Finished size 42 inches by 52 inches. So it's a little lap throw, right? Hold on, guys. Y'all know I'm like a perfectionist. I can't just put this in the box like that. It would absolutely drive me bonkers to do that. All right, what do I do next? Now I fold it like this. I'm one of those people who will go absolutely nuts trying to put a map back together too. Do we even have maps anymore? Do they even make maps? I have no idea. Because, you know, we've got the electronic everything in our cars now. So probably not. There's probably like younger people watching this going, what's a map? Okay. So that's the throw, and I super love that. Oh my goodness, it's like so quick. So quick. And honestly, like if you wanted to, I mean, you could always take that charm pack and put different kinds of sashing. I mean, listen, they give you the idea, but you can do whatever you want with this. If you want to make it like more intricate or something, or if you just want to go around the middle cheater piece with the blocks instead of using it, you know what I mean? Like there's so many things you could do with it, and they give you plenty of fabric. So, okay. Sorry, I'm like looking to see. It looks like they have you cut it apart and then put it back together with more sashing in the middle. Yeah, it has you cut all of the blocks 8.5 inch square. Okay, it does say because of the printing process, the block design might not be perfectly square. However, there's enough space between the blocks to be able to make the block 8.5 inches square. Okay. Well, it makes sense why they do it. It just is very interesting. I don't know. I got like other ideas in my head of what I might do with it. So anyway, yeah, because I got like all the time in the world to make everything I want to make, really. Okay, here's a sampler pillow using the more blocks from the panel, right? So you could do that if you wanted. You would need 4 8.5 inch blocks from the panel, backing 1/2 yard of fabric, and a 16 inch square pillow form. And then here are the 3 blocks that they are giving us. You know, you could always just, if you don't have the others, you could always just duplicate these if you wanted to, right? I mean, why not? They're cute. Use different fabric. You won't even know. Okay, so those are the projects that we have. And along with our little project guy, it looks like we have like a piece of cream fabric in here. I don't remember what it's for, but there you go. Cream fabric. I'm sure it's for something that I just didn't notice. We've got this huge panel. We have the charm pack, which I really love. And then we have the cream fabric that we'll need. So there's, you know, you don't have like every single thing you need for it, but you get a lot of stuff in here. At least I think so, and I really like it. So anyway, be sure to tell me down below what you think of this box. Did you like the Red Barn Christmas fabric? I do have some in my shop if you would like to get some to go with this. I may not have that much left though. I don't know. You'd have to go and check. But I think it's really, really super cute. But I love Sweetwater like nobody's beeswax. So I'm very excited to get this every quarter, and I will see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to let me know what you think of the box, and I'll see ya. Mwah.